Okay, another beautiful day in scenic San Diego, California. I do care about Marines for a variety of reasons, but there's one in particular I'm concerned about, and I'm sure he's fine. I'm not worried about his health. It's his brain or his mental state. What should we call it? Mine is fine. But I am also a witch. Not a bitch, a witch. Which means I can see the future. Or a little bit of it, anyway. And that matters to me. And so, forgive me for being feisty and fucking furious as all get out. But anyway, I know what's his name is just fine. He always will be. In his own mind, anyway. But, when you love somebody that much and they're no longer in your life, my heart breaks. It just fucking breaks. And then it breaks open again, which is good. Good. Hearts break and they close and then they go boom. Anyway. So I'm sorry if I'm irritating the world. It's not my point. My name, my witchy name, is Raven. We have birds in the air, as I like to say.